Welcome to the instructions video for the Capital Recovery Factor Interactive Calculator. This tool helps you determine the periodic payments required to recover a capital investment over time, accounting for interest rates and the number of payment periods. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter three key values. First, input the present value, which is your initial investment amount. For example, enter $100,000. Next, enter the interest rate per period as a percentage, such as 6% annually. Finally, specify the number of periods, like 10 years. Once you've entered these values, click the Calculate button. The calculator will display the capital recovery factor and the periodic payment amount needed to fully recover your investment over the specified time frame. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.